Welcome to the How to Edit Header tutorial. Today, you'll learn how to edit your website's header. The topics covered in this video are 1. Introduction to headers, 2. How your website header works, and 3. How to edit your header. Topic 1. Introduction to headers. Headers are the top section of your website's pages that contain your site logo, menu navigation, and generally a button such as Contact Us. A website header will appear across your entire website, unless set in the conditions to not appear elsewhere. Every website built on Webity uses headers. Headers can be edited via hovering over the Edit with Elementor button on a page and selecting the section labelled Header, or via the Templates tab in the WordPress dashboard. Alternatively, if you are already editing a page via the Elementor editor, you can hover over the header section and click Edit Header to start editing it. Topic 2. How your website header works. Your website's header is essentially another section of your website. It is made up of different columns, each having their own widget within them, and to the ratio of the section that you'd like them to occupy. Headers use the same widgets as other sections on your website from the Elementor editor panel. It is suggested to use the 3 different types of device headers already created for your website by Webity. Changing from desktop to tablet and from tablet to mobile responsive views will show you the 3 different types of optimized headers. Click responsive mode, and here you'll see desktop view, tablet view, and mobile view. All the different device headers will need to be edited for your website header to look good on all devices. Topic 3. How to edit your header. To start editing your header, either hover over the Edit with Elementor button on any page and select the section labelled Header, or click Edit with Elementor via the Templates tab in the WordPress dashboard. Alternatively, if you're already editing a page via the Elementor editor, you can hover over the header section and click Edit Header to start editing it. Change the site logo, menu navigation, and contact buttons according to how you'd like them. Adjust the column percentages for each widget to occupy the correct amount of space. Repeat these steps across the responsive device views: desktop, tablet, and mobile. Click on Update to save these changes. You've now learned how to edit your header.